Welcome to this week's phonics lesson. In our last lesson, we learned about the places we make sounds in our mouth. Today, we will be talking about sounds and the way, or the manner, in which we make sounds. Let's start with stop sounds. We call them stop sounds because we say them very quickly and we completely stop the airflow in our mouths. We also can't hold them out without making them sound funny. The stop sounds are p, b, t, d, k, and g. We will start with p and b. When you make the p sound, like at the beginning of the word pig, you put your lips together and make your lips pop. Your voice is turned off when you say the p sound. You try p. When you make the b sound, like at the beginning of the word bat, you put your lips together and make your lips pop. Your voice is turned on when you say b. Remember, when a voice is on, your vocal cords are being used and you will feel your throat vibrate and a sound is made. You can check your voice is on or off by placing your hand on your neck and feeling for vibrations when you say the sound. Remember, vibrate, on, no vibration, off. You try the sound b. When we make p or b, our lips look like the mouth picture you see. On the sound wall, we will put the lips right here under lips together and put stop in the first row header because that's how we make the sounds. We can place our b and p picture cards under the lip movement and across from its articulation manner. Next is t and d. The sounds t and d are very similar. Just like p and b, both t and d are stop sounds because we have to say them quickly. When you make the t sound, like at the beginning of the word turtle, you tap your tongue behind your top teeth and you push air out as your tongue pushes, then falls away. Your voice is turned off when you say t. You try t. When you make the d sound, like at the beginning of the word dog, you make it in the same way as t, except your voice is turned on. You try d. When you make t or d, our lips look like the image on the screen. Let's put the picture of the lips right under tongue behind top teeth. And it is also a stop sound. We will place the t and d picture cards on the sound wall under the tongue behind top teeth and across from stop. Both k and g are stop sounds because we have to say them quickly. When you make the k sound, like at the beginning of the word cat, you tap the back part of your tongue against the roof of your mouth and you push out the air. K. Your voice is turned off when you say k. You try k. When you make the g sound, like at the beginning of the word goat, you make it in the same way as k, except your voice is turned on. You try k. When we make k or g, our lips look like the picture on the screen. We will put these lips right here under back of tongue lifted and next to stop, because that's how we make these sounds. We will place the picture of the cat and the goat for the k and g sound underneath back of tongue lifted and next to stop sounds. Next, some sounds are made when the air is shut off from coming out of our mouth, and instead the air comes out through your nose. The nose sounds are and ng. We will practice these sounds next. The first nose sound we make with our lips together is the sound. The sound is a sound that we make by pushing air through our nose. When we say like at the beginning of the word monkey, our lips look like the image on screen. When we say our voice is on and we hold it out. It is a continuous sound. You try. We will put these lips right under lips together and also next to nose because that's how we make the sound. Let's place the monkey picture for the sound under lips together and next to nose. Next we have n. The n sound is very similar to the sound. We make the n sound by pushing air through our nose, but our tongue is behind our top teeth. Our voice is on. You try. N. When we make n, like at the beginning of the word nest, our lips look like the picture on the screen. We will put these lips right under tongue behind top teeth and next to the nose symbol because that's how we make these sounds. Let's place the picture of the nest for the n sound underneath tongue behind top teeth and next to nose. The next sound we make by lifting the back of our tongue is the ng sound, like at the end of ring. When you make the ng sound, you touch the back of your tongue against the roof of your mouth and you push air out of your nose. Your voice is turned on when you say ng. You try. Ng. We will put these lips right under back of tongue lifted and next to nose because that's how we make those sounds. Let's place the picture of the ring for the ng sound underneath back of tongue lifted and next to nose. Today we will practice making some uppercase letters that have vertical and horizontal lines. The first letter is the letter L. We're going to learn how to write an uppercase L. The uppercase L is one vertical line connected to one horizontal line at the bottom. We make an uppercase L just like in this video. Start at the top, straight line down, stop at the bottom, straight line across. Practice this using your skywriting and your tracing technique with your finger. Don't forget to repeat the instructions while you trace. Start at the top, straight line down, stop at the bottom, straight line across. This is an uppercase L. What letter is this? An uppercase L. This is uppercase F. What letter is this? Uppercase F. Uppercase F is one vertical line connected to two horizontal lines, one at the top and one in the middle. We make uppercase F like this. Start at the top, straight line down, hop back to the top, straight line across, hop to the middle, straight line across. Practice the uppercase F in skywriting and tracing with your finger. Don't forget to repeat the formation directions. This is an uppercase F. What letter is this? Uppercase F. This is uppercase E. What letter is this? Uppercase E. Uppercase E is one vertical line connected to 3 horizontal lines, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. We make an uppercase E like this. Start at the top, straight line down. Hop back to the top, straight line across. Hop to the middle, straight line across. Hop to the bottom, straight line across. Practice skywriting and tracing uppercase E with your finger. Recite the directions for tracing. This is an uppercase E. What letter is it? Uppercase E. What have we learned today? We have learned about the manner of articulation for stop and nasal sounds, and we have looked at how to form the uppercase letters L, F, and E. In our next lesson, we're going to have a look at some more manners of articulation, the next 2 on the sound wall. We will also look at 3 more uppercase letters. I wonder what they could be. Tune in next time to find out. If you enjoyed today's lesson, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch the next lesson. You won't want to miss it. Class dismissed.